So I'm here gonna polish this tiger's eye because this gentleman just brought this piece. It's all, you know, worn down, but he told me, tell me the story.
It's my grandfather's. He passed away 3 or 4 years ago, and he gave it to me. It's a custom, one of a kind, and he was a great guy, and he knew it would fit me. He wanted to keep it in the family, and it's got a real bad dull spot on the top of it.
Yeah.
And I saw her and thought she might be able to fix it.
See that? We got one there, we got one here, and he says it's driving him crazy looking at it. I don't blame you.
No, it was your smile that brought me in.
Aw, stop. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick little test. We're gonna see, I'm gonna try the very fine. So sometimes it's not a, you know, you should try, you know, not so heavy of a grit. You never know that maybe the, you know, finer grit would solve the problem. So you don't have to grind the stone for nothing. Do you know what I mean? So we have that piece right there. And then we're gonna do that right there. See that? Okay, so can I zoom in?
Just do 2.
Oh, just 2. Oh, sorry.
That's good.
That's good. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and see what's happening here. So we are sanding down, as you can see. Should do it. I really think we got it. I think we got all the scratches out. Yep. Make sure it's nice and even. Yeah, I think we did that. I think we're good. Now let's try to polish. I'm going to hit it just a little bit more here. Okay, so there we go. So now I'm going to polish it. I think I got the scratches out. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah. So that was with the very fine. And then I'm going to grab the one that works with just stone. I'm going to use my scratch away compound. Scratch away compound. And we're going to go to town and see what happens. Let's turn that. Let's see what happens. No idea. Now, I think I know what I'm going to do right now. So we got it nice and smooth. Give me a second. I'm going to buff it right now. So I got it really nice and smooth. So hang in there. Hold on. So I'm going to grab a buff right now. Oh, here we go.
Let me ask you, it's like when you're doing a car, you compound it.
Yeah,
then
compound.
you polish
Do
it,
not use compound.
and
Yes.
then you put wax on it. Is there a coating you can put over stone?
No, we're not going to do no coating.
No,
No
I just
stone.
wanted to know if there was.
No, no coating. And then if there is a coating, just so you know, people do that to mask cheap stones, the coating. But there are people here that do that.
So we're actually working the material itself to bring it to the
Right. Yeah, no, that's better way to go.
Hold on.
Can that buffer do the gold as well?
Yes, I'm going to do the gold in a second. Let's just, hey, hold on, buddy.
No.
One at a time.
I want to get our picture together, too.
We will, don't worry. Want to make sure I got it a little shinier. Okay, we got that. That looks good. So I'm going to give it a nice little, this and the pink. Let me clean this up real quick. Looking good.
Sure is.
Wow. You see that?
It's amazing.
Wow. That came out really good. Okay, so
I've never seen it that shiny.
I know, look, you totally can see everything inside. Wow. Wow.
They
That
picked
came
a
out
good stone too.
pretty, very pretty. I wonder what my pink buff will do. So let's go ahead and clean up. Sorry. So what I want to do is I want to polish the bezel all the way around.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and use my felt wheel. So what we're going to do is kind of get right in there. And polish the gold. So we want to polish. Of course, that's where the money is, baby.
That's the framing.
That's the frame. And when you can see it, I can get it perfect. Way more detailed with this system than with like a flex shaft, you know, or like a Dremel. Look at how even I can get it.
It looks so much easier without having to do it with a handheld.
Yes, well, because remember with a handheld, one hand is being allocated to hold the tool and the other actually doing the work. So wow, that's beautiful wire work. Like that, I mean, like that design. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it was by an artist in Georgia.
It's really pretty. It's like really nicely done. Whoever made this did a really pretty job. Really nice. It's like, I've never seen this before. So now I'm gonna just use the pink buff and polish. So hold on. So there we go. We're gonna use the pink magic buff for a final high polish. We're gonna call it a day. Let's get rid of. So this wheel doesn't use any compound. So any kind of extra compound. Yeah. So if you had a really bad dull spot. Now we're polishing the metal. Yeah, it's so pretty. So now we're just going to polish everywhere. And get that beautiful shine.
I don't even think it was that shiny. My grandfather's never seen it that shiny. Yeah, he passed away 2 or 3 years ago. He wanted to keep it a family stuff. But it's had a dull spot on the top of the stone ever since I've even known him.
So sweet.
So she's kind of saving it. Yeah, it's a one-of-a-kind thing. It's made by an artist. So.
Wow, it came out really pretty.
Yeah,
I wonder if I can get another polish. I always try for a higher. Let's see if we can get one on the stone. I'm going to just do a little side test. It might not work, but let's just see.
you have created such a cool unit here, man. I'm pretty amazed.
Thank you.
What started with your magnetic tumbler, right?
Who told you that?
You did. I was here. I saw you with the book.
You saw me with that guy. So actually, I had the JOOLTOOL during that time. I just converted the machine to a magnetic tumbler. And that guy just happened to have it for all those years.
I don't think that stone's ever looked that good. You can see right down in it now.
Right? Yeah, I didn't know it looked like that, to be honest with you.
Neither.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Golly.
So there we go. We polished his stone, the ring, the bezel, all of that beautiful stuff, all on the JOOLTOOL. Let me do a final shot.
I don't think the gold's ever shining that much either.
It's beautiful. It's actually well made. What a beautiful piece. Okay, so now we go back and I hand it to you, and now you get to enjoy this now.
Thank you very much. That is incredible. Look at that.
They're pretty. Wow.
My
I can
grandfather would be very proud of
see-
that.
I feel him here. I got goosebumps right now. I really did.
Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome. You know, see, you're keeping the heirlooms alive. That was driving you crazy. He told me that. Where am I going? We're just being. He told me that those dull spots were driving him crazy.
Well, you know, I'm glad it took you a while because you're not too bad to look at, you know.
Anyways, you guys, that was done on the Jewel Tool. If you're interested, go to JOOLTOOL.com. I'm the creator and inventor of this little sucker. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I got plenty more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching. God bless. Live from Tucson.